Look at this boy. He's still here. I come and take this. The kids like eating bread like this. It's so crispy and yummy. Come on, not they get thumbnail because before you go fry this one, they don't chop or finish. Hi sweetie, today I share with you how I prepare lunch for my kids, especially when they are eating bread. So this is how I get it done. So today is for Munachi because Chimamanda has went to school. So I want to prepare this for Munachi. So over here we have bread. So this one is the bread like this. So now what I do is to slice the bread into 4 like this. So this is so good, guys. If you have a kids like 5 years above, like 5 years, 3 years, 4 years, so try to prepare breakfast for them or lunch for them like this. Is very good. So this is how my son likes to eat bread. Send to my daughter. I divide it into 4 like this. So over here we are going to be needing egg. So I make use of 3 eggs for them. So now I just add in the egg. I will just add in this pepper flakes, a little bit of it. So don't add in that much pepper because it's for kids. Add in a little bit of black pepper. Just a pinch of it is good. So add in salt. I whisk that together. So I'm going to mix until it get combined like this. So over here I'm going to be needing this pan. I bring it over here. So clean it. So now we are adding this oil in the pan. So sweet, at this point you are going to be taking the bread, then add it over here. Then just like this. Then put it back to this pan. Just before you start adding it inside the egg, before you start adding the bread inside the egg, make sure that you have your pan in the heat. So doing this is going to be low heat, guys. So I just keep on adding that and then transfer it back over here. Just like this. Just keep adding it back here like this one. You only take one of the bread like this, add it back over here, and then just sweep it around, then bring it back like this. Just very nice. The other side like this, so that everything will get fried. Frying it, we have to have something like this spoon, and then use it to be pressing it down. The more you are frying, you are going to be turning the other side, so it doesn't waste time. I'm just going to toast out the bread, and it's going to come out perfect. So sweetie, look at that. So just press it down. It's going to fry and at the same time come out dry like this. So at this point it's ready to serve. So all I do now is to bring everything out from the pan like this. See how gorgeous that looks. So now I'm going to transfer it back over here like this. Look at that. Just that looks. My son is already here to take. He's excited already. Okay, look at him over. Well, she said bye. So he's already here to take it, guys. So Munachi like to eat this so much. So this is how he like eating his bread. So let's get the second one done. Very, very good for the kids. They are just going to be eating it one as if they are eating snacks. So Munachi like to eat bread like this. Even sometimes, guys, you can do this for them to take to school. Amanda used to go to school like this. Sometimes I will prepare this for her, then she will take it to school, and then I'll give her one milkshake. So once she eats this, then she will drink milkshake. That is for her lunch for school. So very, very good. See, Munachi is still here. Look at him. Come take. Look at him. He's going to be here. Now, before you said, like, as we have fried everything, I'll give him now. Before I will come back, you have already eaten everything. Before we come, we have already finished it. So you can see now I fried about almost 8 to 9 breads, and he's going to eat everything. So that is so cool. So let me just add everything and then get everything fried together. So this one is the last one. I'm just going to add that like this. Look at this boy. He's still here. I come and take. This camera not they get thumbnail because before you go fry this one, they don't chop or finish. So when I like this so much, you like it. So I just allow this to fry, then I will turn the other side. It doesn't take time, guys. It doesn't take time. Once you have egg and bread, they are just going to enjoy their day. So now I'm going to turn the other side like this. Wow, this one fries so nice. So you're just going to fry and then they are going to eat. So once you turn it like this, you press it well so that the other side will fry very nice. And then it's good to go. Wow, so sweetie. At this point, everything fries so perfect. Look at that. So we are going to pour it back over here. Like, see how gorgeous this look. The kids like eating bread like this. So crispy and yummy. You can see that. Look at my son over here again. Wow. So thank you. Okay. So sweetie. This is the best way. You can easily prepare bread for the kids. It doesn't take time and they are going to eat everything. Like, it's going to eat everything in the space of a minute. So always remember to share, and I love you. Don't forget to try for your children. In my next one, bye bye.